Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making crispy air fryer wings. This is a quick and easy recipe with only a few ingredients. You will need 1 pound of chicken wings, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of salt. In a small bowl, combine the baking powder and paprika. Add the garlic powder, salt, and pepper, then mix until well combined. Now generously coat your chicken with your seasoned mixture. Place your chicken in the air fryer in small batches, then set your air fryer temperature to 390 and cook for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, increase your temperature to 400 degrees and cook for an additional 10 minutes. These wings are super crispy and I know you're going to love them. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. A soul food cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps made for you.